Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop relying on payday loans with Bright. Payday loans may offer quick cash, but they come with sky high interest rates that trap you in debt. Bright helps you to break that cycle. Let me show you exactly how to do that. So start by connecting your accounts to Bright. The app analyzes your income, bills, spendings to find safe, small amounts of money that you can set aside automatically. These micro savings build up over time into a buffer that you can use instead of turning to payday loans. Bright also helps you to manage debts and bills with smart payments. You can avoid late fees and financial surprises that often trigger payday loans. By building an emergency fund and staying ahead of payments, Bright gives you the financial breathing room that you need to stop depending on short-term, high-cost loans. It's a smarter, safer way to get back in control without, of course, the payday loan trap. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.